Hi everybody and welcome to this Friday's tutorial, except I will not be doing a tutorial because I'm having a little break for my drawing tutorials because I want to draw, and you can see me here. I'm in the old church of Ede. It's my hometown and I am drawing more and more plein air drawings. So I'm going to do that the whole month of August, so I will not be uploading tutorials for you. I will be studying and I will be drawing en plein air. But also I need that month of August because I am actually trying out the dry brush technique and getting better and better at it. So what we do then is take a very little bit of oil paint, and then we will start drawing amazing portraits. So I need some time to develop that and to get to teach you this. And we will just start off with simple exercises and then gradually go to get, well, maybe drawing famous people or something. So that's also a reason why I need that month extra. So I will be back with you in September. Now the people on my Patreon page, of course, they get their tutorials because I will be uploading on Patreon. But on YouTube I will have a little hold, a little vacation. So I will see you again in September, and then I will be back with you, of course. And in the meantime, I will be drawing everywhere around in Ede. It's my hometown, and drawing life with the people in Cultura. This is a cultural center. So now here are some examples of what I've been doing also. This, for instance, is Bernardo's. It's an ice cream parlor company. They have the most amazing nice ice creams. So that's one. And this is the windmill in my hometown. It's just around the corner of my house. It's a charcoal drawing that I have been drawing on location too. And this actually is the outside of that church that I was recording, now inside. And this is an earlier one of the front of that big tower in my hometown Ede, and the church just behind that. So that's what I've been doing. But I will be back with you, of course, in September. So take care and I will see you then.